photos and videos to the next level without buying an expensive camera, let's go over some tips for the best camera quality you can start using today. First, lighting is everything. Even the most expensive camera will struggle in a bad lighting. Natural light is your best friend. Shoot near windows or outdoors when possible. If you're indoors, try using soft LED lights for a ring light to reduce harsh shadows. Next is stabilization. Shaky footage can ruin everything, a perfectly framed shot. Use a tripod, gimbal, or even just place your camera on a stable floor. For smartphones, turning on optical or digital stabilization can make a huge difference. Then, focus on exposure. Always make sure your subject is on focus and correctly exposed. On most cameras and smartphones, you can tap on the screen to lock focus and adjust brightness. Avoid overexposed skies or underexposed faces. It kills the details. Another tip is composition. Use the rule of thirds, leading lines, and symmetry to make your shots more visually appealing. Simple changes in framing can completely transform an ordinary photo into something professional. Finally, pay attention to camera settings. For smartphones, shoot in the highest resolution possible and enable HDR if available. For DSLR or mirrorless camera, adjust ISO, aperture, and shutter speed depending on your environment. Lower ISO in bright light shows the motion blur and smaller aperture for sharper depth of field. By combining good lighting, stabilization, focus, composition, and proper settings, you'll maximize your camera quality. Whether it's a phone, mirrorless, or DSLR, remember it's not just the gear, it's how you use it that makes your photos and videos shine.